Indigenous immersion schooling does no harm. It does not keep students back. It actually advances them. They learn 2 languages. They learn responsibility to their family and community, and they also learn their own language and culture at the same time. Sheilah Nicholas yan pahan majugyang nikyang na piu Hopi sinyo niya kaawe panwat we nama tak nani ne kotsahon manayan Hopi majiwa ne kalwuma ne songopa sino.
Pero en mi cultura, en mi comunidad Hopi, mi nombre Hopi es Niña del Oso Blanco. También soy del clan del Frente del Sol.
And I just wanted to show that even though this is their traditional lands, it's the U.S. boundaries that, you know, cut their land both for Pasquayaki and for Otam. We have created a database that tells us that there are lots and lots of language programs that are being implemented. Immersion schooling, which is defined as 50 to 100% of content-based curriculum done in the medium of the language, is showing excellent results. So parents should not feel at all that they cannot expect a student who has academic and emotional intellectual well-being overall. But these immersion schools that were not being publicized for the work that they're doing, we're starting to show the total opposite: 100% attendance, 100% graduation rate, attendance at prestigious colleges. But those students were also going back home to build capacity and attend to issues that were communities' issues. Like the words in our Kiñe song say, who come from the wisdom of our ancestors on Hopi. Ovi kana pevel na yani bai saan tuat matsi yung kay panwat kalawis ni itang ita tatak mo ita sin mo itam sitef katsip nang wat inang tabi yung ni by ovi saan tuti.